We're at Wilcox Industries and I'm standing here with Ben. Ben, what's your responsibilities here at Wilcox?
So I handle our inspection system here internally. I take our manufacturing prints from programming and engineering, and I use one factory to make a inspection system for our machinists in production to use. I also handle gauge kits, manufacturing kits, just different needs for manufacturing and quality, as well as different inspections on a need-to-need basis.
That's really cool. So how much of that are you able to do within one factory then?
Pretty much all of it.
Really? You don't have to use like 3 to 5 different pieces of software?
Not anymore. So I can house all the gauges I need. I can do all my gauge R&Rs inspections in the gauge section. I can house all my plans in the manufacturing section, and it's been tremendously easy to use.
Yeah, that's an impressive commitment to quality at Wilcox if you can recalibrate all your own gauging in-house. Most shops can't do that. So you hinted at this earlier. What was it like before one factory?
Before one factory, we still had an inspection system, but it wasn't as streamlined. We were still working on it. Being an in-house system, we were only able to capture so much. It was very impressive for what we were able to use it for, but one factory has gone above what we expected.
Ben, you're talking about there how your system was good. It's not like you guys didn't care about your quality, but I'm curious now, what can you track with one factory that you weren't able to keep care of before?
So we're able to track deviations, manufacturing inspections, our standard post-plate, pre-plate, all of it. We're also able to keep it all in one area, so I can have a deviation on a bubble that these guys are checking to the manufacturing version that also ties into the incoming inspection as well. And we can have it in one place, one inspection. Doesn't have to be in multiple places, so that's made it very easy.
So one last question for you then, Ben, is in the world of manufacturing, you're always making revisions. You guys are always testing. You've got crazy testing facilities here at Wilcox that we're going to do a different video about, but what's it like when you've got a revision that comes out from a print?
So before, revisions used to be a slower process for us. We would have to get it from engineering, get it approved through the system, which would take a couple of days on its own. So with one factory, now I'm able to talk to that engineer. I'm able to do a deviation bubble straight through one factory. So the floor gets it almost instantly, so they know something's changing, as well as I can also redline their inspection so they know a rev change is coming so that they're watching their paperwork for the latest version. So it's changed a couple of day long process into almost an instant change. So it's been wonderful.